What is up, pilots, new types, fellow nerds, broadcasting all the way from Side 7. I'm Danny.
I made it.
And we are the Gundam Duo. And for today's video, Aiden and I actually, well, last week I wanted picking this up, but Aiden wanted me to wait until I had him so we could unbox this together. But we have a box of the Gundam Card Game New Type Rising booster packs. What's going on, bud? Okay, you're funny. A little bit of an inside joke between us, but we're not going to waste that much more time. We're going to jump straight to the table where we are going to unbox this whole box of booster packs.
Nuh-uh. I am. I'm gonna open it. He's not gonna open it. I am.
We'll see you guys at the table in just a moment.
Stop.
Yes.
Welcome back to the what table?
Yes. Welcome back to the table where Aiden and I are ready to go ahead and unbox this whole booster box of Gundam New Type Rising
We are keeping this
booster
in.
packs.
We are keeping this in.
Let's see. Let's go ahead and break this plastic seal on this. Yes. There we go. What?
I think it's funny how we just kind of failed at saying our lines.
Ooh. But first, now that we've got the box kind of unwrapped from that, let's take a look at that box art. It's actually really cool. RX-78, or as a lot of the Gundam fans like to call him, Granddad, Grandpa.
Where's Jan?
Where's Jan? Who knows? We might find a Jan in here, we might
When you
not.
say Jan, I want Jan.
Well, we're gonna start cracking.
Nuh-uh.
We are looking for some really good pulls out of this.
I'm looking for Jan.
You're looking for Jan? Alright. Your pack first or my pack?
Your pack.
My pack first? Okay. First, let's see. We got Makuve. We got a Dop. We got Sky Grasper. Sid's Maganax. Strike Gundam. Gamau. Strategic Arms. Carrying the supply line. Okay, our first rare hit. We've got a Blitz Gundam. And an LR Plus. What? A Kastria. Nice. Oh my gosh. Sweet. And a token EX resource.
So we got my pack.
Okay. Assault on Torrington Base. Gallus K. Gyaradoga. Pisces. Stark Jagan. Stratagem Now. Gyaradoga. Launcher Strike. And we're almost at our rare hit. Okay. Fortress Defense. And Blitz Gundam. Okay. And Resource.
I take this one.
Okay. Let's see. 3 packs in. I'm already liking this box, especially with an LR hit already. An LR plus hit, mind you. Okay. Sky Grasper. Sid's Maganax. Strike Gundam. Gundam Fritz. Gundam Ariel, but not the rare one. Girazula. Okay, and we've got Unicorn Gundam Banshee Unicorn Mode, another rare hit. Strike Rogue, and another resource. Okay.
Mine's actually.
Okay, so let's see. We got Garrison, Zaku Mariner, Jin, Reared Feet, RX-78, Z Zulu. Ooh, Gundam Death Scythe, nice. Launcher Strike, G Fighter, a Rick Dom, nice. Okay, Shenlong Gundam for the rare, and Zaku 1 Sniper type. C+ foil resource. Whoo! I like that.
That's from my pack.
We already hit the foil resource.
Uh-uh. I did.
You did, we did, same thing.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Yellow Sky Grasper, Stubborn Cog. Zaku 2. Tactical Testing Sector, a Goof. A Gamao. Strategic Securing the Supply Line. Ku, okay. Gyan for the rare.
Yawn? Yo, I need that.
Aiden's favorite mobile suit. And oh my god, Buster Gundam for the LR. And a token card. See what Aiden cracked from this pack. We got Gog, Razel, Path to Victory or Defeat, Resid's Orders. Ooh. Ellen Saris, Zaku Mariner, Isaac, Desert Tiger, Gundam Heavy Arms, Chang Wu Fei, nice. Noin's Ares for the rare. Gundam Aerial Rebuild for the LR, nice. And a regular resource.
That pack was nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're already getting some good pulls. Ellen Saris, Stratagem, Mining Asteroid, G-Sky Easy, Demi Garrison, Stark Jagan, Mid-Air Modifications, Chang Wu Fei, Desert Tiger, okay, Extreme Hatred for the rare, and then Gundam Ferract for the another rare, and then resource card. Alright, Gundam Elfrit, Pente, Paper, Stubborn Cog, Mistral Zaku 2, Xeon Remnant Force, Infection, Lotto, First Contact, Iron Fisted Discipline for the rare, and Unicorn Gundam O2 Banshee Destroy Mode for the LR, and a Zaku Char Zaku 2 token. And you know what, guys? I said I actually wasn't going to, but I think I'm going to. We are going to wind up doing a how to play Gundam Card Game video in the future, because why not? Why not teach all of you awesome people how to play this awesome card game?
Yeah.
M1 Astray, Underground Desert Base, Pisces, Base, a Gelgoog, Zanzibar, Gyaradoga, Gundam Heavy Arms, Gundam Aerial for this, and Wing Gundam Zero for the LR.
I like that resource.
Unicorn Resource, I like that.
But I like the aerial one more.
Okay. Trizen, Magnac, Pente, 13 Tactical, Shenlong, Chief Fighter, Show Resolve, Blanks. Okay. Battle of Aces for the rare. Delta Plus for that rare. RX-78 Resource. Nice. We've already gotten several good hits. Okay, Stubborn Cog, Sky Grasper, Underground Desert Base, Sinzaka Mariner, Zax Leo, Baldi, Straya, Duo Maxwell, Unicorn Gundam Unicorn Mode, and a Unicorn Resource.
I like to look at my cards first.
No, you were all good. Okay. and Zulu Strike Gundam, Rickdom, Argama, Zeon Remnant Forces, Gundam Ariel, and Deep Devotion, and another awesome resource card.
That stack is big.
Right. All the commons and uncommons. I'm actually going to start a second stack. Okay, we've got Din, Path to Victory or Defeat, Arc 78, Zulu Cancer, Gelgu, Gulato, so now later modifications. Okay, Shamblu for that rare. Dual Gundam. Ooh, and a Char's Zaku resource card. Okay, and then for this pack, Sleo, Ball, nice, Gundam, Jagan, Sword Strike, Gun Tank, Gundam Ariel, Choo Choo's Demi Trainer, and Justice Gundam for the LR, and a Zaku token.
I actually hope we pull a really good card.
Me too. We've already pulled some really good LRs, including an LR Plus. Okay. Says orders, side 7, God, Jagan. God. Another Death Scythe, Launcher Strike, Chief Fire, Dom. Okay, Char Zaku 2 for the rare. And Unicorn Gundam Destroy Mode for the LR. And Revelation, Naval Bombardment, Zaku 2, Gundam for it, Dop, 7 Adzem, Zanzibar, First Contact, okay. Citizens Take a Stand, Perfect Strike Gundam.
I wonder how many more are in there.
How many more what, packs?
Yeah.
I kind of lost count of how many packs we've opened so far.
I didn't even start counting.
Shh. Gauss K-Ball. No, honestly, right now, Aiden and I, we've really been enjoying the Gundam card game. It's really awesome. Ooh, and Gundam Sandrock rare. Charzaku 2
Oh,
for the resource.
I was having difficulty opening mine.
Having difficulty? Cancer, Drazen, side 7. Okay, and ooh, Salem Mass! And a rare plus. Nice. Okay, alright. And an EX base, nice. Okay. And this has now become one of my new favorite Bandai card games. We got Legao, Charzaku 2, another resource. Okay. Let's see, what are the rare hits? Okay. Ooh, okay, Witch and the Bride. And Merida Cruz, nice! The pilot for the Unicorn. Okay. 13th Tactical Testing. Okay. Wing Gundam. Common. gun cannon. Oh, we got the big Zam, nice. And resource card.
Okay.
Okay.
I was just seeing a rarity on the card.
Oh, nice. And okay. Noin's Ares. Freedom Gundam LR. And we are down to the last 2 booster packs in the box. And now to see what our final hits are.
I'm not even gonna look at mine.
Final hits from the box. Okay, we got, Intercept Orders and Char's Gelgoog with the Zaku 2 token. And Aiden didn't even take a look. He wanted everything to be a surprise for even himself at this point. Okay. Let's see where. And. Okay, Shenlong Gundam. And Zaku 1 Sniper type. And our final resource card.
Is there any more?
That is it. You know what? Honestly, for our first box of Gundam Card Game, I'm actually pretty happy. I think we got some pretty awesome pulls. I'm pretty stoked.
I mean, we got the above the gut.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, we did. We got some really solid pulls. I'm
gonna steal every single aerial card. and beyond, of course.
But we hope you all did enjoy this video. We are definitely going to be doing more Gundam Card Game stuff, along with me doing more Gunpla stuff. I'm still working on trying to finish my gun cannon build, or my gun cannon build video, and then we will see what the next build video is going to be after that. But until what?
The build video he's going to make is going to be very cool.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Actually, next build video I'm going to wind up doing is Noble Berserk mode.
Yeah, make a Hatsune Miku. No. I will get one myself and make a Hatsune Miku.
Yes, that'll be awesome. But until next transmission, I'm Danny.
I'm Aiden.
And we are the Gundam Duo, signing out.